All right, this one's got a 2 attached to the x squared. So our first step is I'm going to divide everything by 2. And I get x squared minus 5x plus, I'm just going to leave it as 11 over 2 equals 0 divided by 2 is 0. I'm going to move the 11 over 2 to the other side of the equation. So I'm just subtracting 11 over 2 from both sides. So I get x squared minus 5x equals negative 11 over 2. So I'm going to leave everything as fractions, but if you want to change things to decimals, you can. So when I go negative 5 over 2 squared, I'm just squaring both. So it's just adding 25 over 4 to both sides. Now I need a common denominator on the left, so I got to change the 11 over 2 to be over 4. So I'm going to times top and bottom by 2, so I get negative 22 over 4 plus 25 over 4, and then just add the numerators. So it's negative 22 plus 25. So I'm going to AM, but what's nice is always remember to factor, it's always what's in the brackets there, that negative 5 over 2. So I know it's x minus 5 over 2 squared equals 3 over 4. Now I can take the square root of both sides. Make sure you put the plus or minus on the 3 over 4. So this is x minus 5 over 2 equals plus or minus root 3 over, because I can take the square root of 4, I do, and the square root of 4 is just 2. So that's why it's a root 3 over 2. I'm going to add the 5 over 2 to both sides, and I get x equals 5 over 2 plus or minus root 3 over 2, which is nice because we got a common denominator. So we can just write it all over the common denominator, and we get 5 plus or minus root 3 over 2. That is the exact value solution. To get the two decimal places, we need to go 5 plus root 3 over 2. When you do this, be really careful. What I would always do is just work out the numerator. So I'm going to go 5 plus root 3, hit equals, and then divide the answer by 2, and I get 3.37. Then I would go 5 minus root 3 on the calculator, hit equals, and then divided by 2. So 5 minus root 3 divided by 2, and we get our second solution. So we got two decimal solutions and our exact value solution, 5 plus or minus root 3 over 2.